Well, apparently we got a leak in our hot water tank. And so we have to either bypass it or take it out and put a new one in. And since we're not anywhere near an RV dealer right now, we're going to try to bypass it, I think, is what we'll do.
Okay, so there's a leak right here.
The tank, inside the tank. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Happy New Year. That is Happy New Year, Daddy.
Yes, it is. Happy New Year. So, like that. Maybe I can use my water pump pliers now. Watch out, it might squirt out hot water. It should be under pressure, but it's not. There goes the water. Oh, that's not so bad. It's a little calcified. Oh, it's very calcified. Okay, that water gonna, since the pump's not on, it should stop dripping after a minute.
So what,
Oh, see what you got in there is a spring, and it's all calcified up.
what does that spring do?
Well, it maintains pressure in the tank.
Oh, I see.
This might be an easy fix if we can get this and not have to replace it. All right, can you get it?
I'm trying to reach to it. I think the oil is coming from here too.
No,
This-
there's no oil up there.
The oil that's losing.
There's no oil up there. That's all antifreeze.
No, right here.
Oh,
Let me
that's
see.
brake fluid there.
Di ba
That's
we
a
have
brake hose.
an oil leak?
No, it's brake fluid.
Ooh.
If you can't get in there, I'm going to get the right. I think Dad's got the right one. Yeah.
Because I put it up the very far.
Yeah, it should have been rotated towards you instead of you rotated the other way.
You asked me to push it. You said push it.
Right, but you can rotate the clamp up at the same time, so it's easier to get to.
Don't worry about it.
You're trying to come in from the back side now.
Yeah, because I can't clamp the other side because it's too far out.
Maybe you can just pull it out, rotate the clamp now, so it's easier to get to those big parts. Squeeze it and then rotate. Got it?
Give me a second. Got it right here. Just like that. What if I break this one?
Break what?
The clamp.
Go.
Okay.
I don't think this is going to be enough antifreeze. We might have to mix some more. Look at that.
That's very small.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, hold on now.
Why?
You can already see it here. It only has to go to a line. There's a line
here?
right there. Yeah.
I think it will be fine.
Yeah. Just go to the line. Keep going.
Then I'm going to stop.
Okay. Keep going. I think it'll take it all. Oh yeah. It's
Then-
still below the line.
You need more?
Yeah, we gotta mix some more.
Oh yeah. Another, I think
Same amount.
same amount? No, I think it will not. Okay, we'll see. It should be.
The equal amount. That's why I said pour out some of the water
Give me a
first. You
second.
got way too much.
Oh, I got it.
It's better to have a little more extra antifreeze than
That's
water.
it.
Maybe a little more. Just have some extra antifreeze.
Why? If it's lots of water, it's not good.
Yeah.
But let's
Water rusts, antifreeze don't. Wrong send. Wrong send.
Oh, wrong side. Oh.
There you go. Okay, just to the line. I told you we didn't need that much. That's okay.
I think we need a lot.
Oh, really? It's sucking it down in there?
Yep.
Look at the line now.
It's not even into it.
Really?
It's a little bit below of it, but
Close enough now.
yeah.
It's going to
Look.
expand. When the engine heats up, that'll get high.
Yeah, that's why they said do not put antifreeze when it's hot.
Right, it's not hot, it's cold.
Yeah, that's why this is the time that you need to put it.
Okay, it's good
So
then.
it's just
Yeah, we'll call it good.
we're a little bit short, but it's okay.
Okay, we just fixed the clamp on our overflow tank and put some more antifreeze in it so the truck won't overheat. That's about it. That's about all we're going to do today because we got to get ready to go. We're heading back towards Vegas.
Vegas,
Yeah.
not Pahrump,
Or Pahrump,
wherever.
wherever. Yeah,
Okay.
we're going to be on the road.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.